Hey everyone, welcome back Barça fans. Today we're taking you straight to Camp Nou to see the latest updates on the stadium's construction. The arena is getting closer to opening its doors, and we're here to show you exclusive footage of the progress, from the third tier to the VIP areas, the museum, and the inner structures. Let's dive in. At Goal Sud, we can see the latest work on the final structural brackets of the third tier. Most of the beams, mini trusses, and cross ligaments are already in place. The last bracket has faced minor issues, but construction is moving forward steadily. In the 0.5 level, where the new museum will be located, final touches are being made, including filling the gaps in the alveolar panels and preparing the supports for the ceramic slats. On the lateral sections, prefabricated stands are being installed, and spaces for ventilation openings are clearly defined. VIP areas are taking shape with walls, partitions, and preparation for the interior facilities. The prefabricated sections of the third tier are progressing well, with several lines almost reaching the third cantilever. Supports for the ceramic slats are being installed, mainly on the lateral sections. Prefabricated staircases are being placed for museum access, stands, and the Barça store. Stairwell cores and emergency exits are also being prepared to ensure safety for match days. Concrete work continues across Gold Sud and Gold Norte, focusing on the super pillars. Scaffolding, formwork panels, and other essential construction equipment are being used to build each pillar to its full height. Concrete pumps are in action to ensure a smooth workflow. Glass panels and metal structures are being installed in the diamond areas, entrances, and commercial zones. Debris is being cleared, and surfaces are being prepared for upcoming installations. Camp Nou is progressing rapidly. From the third tier to the museum and VIP rings, the stadium is taking shape and getting ready to welcome fans. Every section shows visible progress in stands, access points, staircases, structural installations, and finishing touches. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on Camp Nou's progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more exclusive updates from the stadium.